Okay, little progress report. I bolted this thing on. I used the same bolt, and I just used my vice grip to put it back on the way I took it off. I have the cable installed in there, and I am now just going ahead and reconnecting all this now instead of doing it later, since I have it accessible. And I was going to show you this sweet tool that my son Jesse gave me. It's a snap-on ratchet, and it holds bits for stuff like this. So it's hecka cool. Really handy when you can't really get a straight screwdriver on something. And you can just put it in. You can turn it until it's tight. And when it's there, you can torque it as necessary. It's kind of awkward when you're holding the camera in your hand, but that's how it works. And there it is. So that's connected, plugged in. This is bolted on. Cable is connected. I was gonna put the tumbler back in, but I need my key to do that. This is right here. This needs to be in the accessory position to do that. And of course I have to have this in the accessory position also. So I need my pliers. I need to put that in accessory position. Now, this is an accessory position. It should match up. There you go. Beauty, right? Okay, so now I gotta put the steering wheel back on. So the next step is installation of this plate, which I already started to pre-thread because it didn't appear to have any threads in it when I looked at it. So there we go. Goes over the top like so. Sorry. All right. So I'll put that together and step by step.